Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I'm writing something down here. There we go, so I don't forget to say what I want to say. Well, anyway, a couple days ago, not too long ago, I put up a video on using this little memory stick to help you remember to start the recorder before you take off. And so you can't pull these sticks together to make it take off. But the thing is, I'll repeat the error that I had when I went out to fly, and you'll see why that particular stick didn't work. So I'll go ahead and start. We'll connect. The drone's in the house here with the propellers off, so we're just doing this without going flying. Alright, you see we have an error, a stick error, alright? And we can pull this out, and it's still not going to work, so we're going to have to stop. At least I wouldn't trust it to work. Alright. Now what I did was I made these notches a little closer, and they are, I think, about 3 13/16, okay? That's almost 3 7/8, but 3 13/16 inside. Okay, so we'll put those on, and we're going to, let me see, well, let's start up, we'll do that pretty soon. Okay, so here we go. Well, you know, I should put the antennas up just so we don't burn out anything. Here we go. Okay, we're connecting. And everything is good. So we're going to go ahead and start our app. And, well, hi there. Now you can see my office. And I didn't realize that, but anyway, so you can see my office and how messy it is. It's also my everything else. But anyway, you'll notice we have no error. We still can't do the stick things, and I'm not even going to try to take it off in the house. I just want to show you that this is a better idea. Make those 3 13/16 inches on the inside, and you're good to go. Okay? Alright, now then, another thing to remember is when you land and you're all through, be sure and hit the record button to turn off the recording before you turn off the drone. Okay? The drone will sit there and record and record and record, but now the drone's not recording. Alright, so I hope that's helpful. I'm sorry that I might have made a mistake. You know what they say, measure once, cut twice, or measure twice, cut once. Well, I actually did it backwards. So, there you go. I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.